Hello, Jason Skinner is my name, and I wanted to put together this quick testimonial to tell you all about David Smith's online gold gilding course. Now, importantly, I'm not being paid by David, and I certainly haven't been asked by David or anybody else to do this. I'm doing it off my own back purely because since enrolling in the course, I've found it to be one of the most detailed, thorough, professional online courses that I've done. I certainly haven't, prior to doing the course, I didn't own a paintbrush, and I've certainly never touched gold leaf before or knew how to apply gold leaf. But it wasn't long into the course with the very first assignment that I was painting letters and applying gold leaf and learning the traditional techniques as they're taught by David, and I couldn't be happier with the progress that I've made so far. It is a self-paced course, so you don't have to do it all in one go. You don't need hours of time to do it. You can do it step by step as you go along. I work full time during the week, so I just do a little bit on a weekend, but I'm loving every minute of it as David takes me step by step through each of the detailed techniques. You don't need a big budget to do the course. If I didn't have any equipment prior to starting, you can just get what you need as you go along. David has a beautiful detailed section which takes you step by step through all of the various equipment and materials that you'll need along the way, but you don't have to get them in one go. You can just get them as you're doing and approaching each assignment, and he gives you the suppliers as well, so everything's catered for in terms of materials and tools and equipment that you'll need. If you're familiar with David's work at all, he's a true professional and master of the gilding craft and sign writing craft, and his passion and expertise is second to none when it comes to this. And he's thankfully taken all this and put it into this course. He's used that same passion and in putting this course together so that no questions are left unanswered. The videos are broken down into very small bite-sized pieces, so you can watch and digest whatever it is that you need to learn and digest along the way, and you can always go back and learn and refresh if something's overlooked. The way I approached the course was I actually sort of did a bit of a binge watch to get up to speed to start with, and then as I wanted to do each assignment, now I'm going back and working through each of the techniques. But he teaches you the traditional methods, and that's what I loved about this, or do love about this course, is that everything is he's helping to keep those skills alive and help pass those skills and of the trade through the generations, and it's just a tremendous course to be able to do, and a privilege, to be honest. So if you're sitting on the fence and you're wondering whether or not this course is for you, if you are remotely passionate about gold gilding or sign writing or keeping those traditional skills alive or learning those traditional skills, then this course is an absolute must. It's over 50 hours of David's time and knowledge, and you just don't have to be there in person to learn it, which is just fantastic, and I can't thank him enough for putting this course together. I truly love it, and I know you will too if you're interested in learning these skills. So I wish you all the best with it, and can't recommend it highly enough. So all the best. Thanks.